Auto-GPT's potential for transforming industries and shaping the future. But what is Auto-GPT? Auto-GPT is a next-generation ChatGPT, which is 10 times more powerful than its predecessor. An autonomous intelligent agent, it can take a high-level goal or task, break it down into small steps, and generate all the prompts required to complete these steps and reach the goal. Auto-GPT is part of a new wave of autonomous intelligent agents that are now entering the AI market. Some of its major competitors include Agent GPT and Baby Augie. In this video, we explore the countless opportunities Auto-GPT and its peers offer, and how it can transform existing and emerging industries. From streamlining processes or enhancing programming, to transforming healthcare and reshaping event management, Auto-GPT will truly revolutionize the digital landscape, so let's dive right in. Streamlining workflows. Auto-GPT is uniquely equipped to handle tedious, repetitive and time-consuming operations. Therefore, it will significantly increase the efficiency, productivity and accuracy of business and personal processes. Powering market research. Auto-GPT will revolutionize how business owners, influencers, and freelancers conduct market research. This technology will open the door to success by automating data collection from many sources and giving customers unmatched insights into their target market and competitors. Data-driven decision-making will soar to new heights as we fully utilize Auto-GPT's capabilities, giving businesses a competitive edge in the ever-changing market environment. Navigating abstract challenges. Auto-GPT has the potential to be our guiding force in a world rife with abstract concepts and complicated problems. This potent AI technology can analyze complex issues and generate plausible hypotheses based on available data, allowing us to make informed decisions in uncertain situations. We can expect a future in which critical thinking is honed and innovations are made in even the most complex domains as we embrace Auto-GPT's capabilities. Enhancing project optimization. This AI technology can easily identify gaps in information hierarchy or communication, offering suggestions on optimizing workflow and improving efficiency. Integrating Auto-GPT into our processes allows us to anticipate smoother project management, increased productivity, and a workforce focused on value-adding tasks. Redefining programming. Auto-GPT's expertise in generating entire code snippets, optimizing syntax, and fixing bugs will redefine the future of programming. This AI-powered technology may soon become an indispensable ally for developers and programming enthusiasts, enabling them to create cutting-edge applications and software solutions with unprecedented simplicity. We can expect a new generation of streamlined development and revolutionary innovation as we incorporate Auto-GPT's programming expertise. Revolutionizing event management. Auto-GPT can guide users in creating engaging content, identifying target audiences, and leveraging partnerships to plan and promote events, webinars, and podcasts. As we tap into Auto-GPT's capabilities, we will witness a transformation in how it manages affairs, leading to more memorable and impactful experiences for attendees. Building futuristic websites and apps. Auto-GPT could emerge as a skilled architect, designing and developing state-of-the-art websites and apps with optimal performance and user experience. By automating tasks and providing valuable insights, this technology can save developers time and effort, allowing them to focus on innovation and creativity. Empowering stock and crypto trading. Auto-GPT can access real-time information and spot new market trends quickly. This would prove revolutionary in stock and crypto trading, as it would allow traders to anticipate changing trends in the market and adjust their investment decisions accordingly. In summary, the AI revolution is well underway, and Auto-GPT's far-reaching capabilities could be a significant contributor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to be notified of future videos.